Welcome to Megavent, where we fabricate the best skylight retractable roof solutions in the market. Our innovative designs and high-quality materials provide you with the best skylight experience possible. We offer a wide range of colors to choose from, allowing you to customize your skylight retractable roof to match your building's aesthetic. Our roofs are also easily linked to home automation systems, making it easy to control the amount of sunlight and fresh air coming in. Our skylight retractable roofs are designed to be watertight and come with a double-sided UV-coated polycarbonate sheet that provides additional protection against harmful UV rays. At Megavent, we stand behind our products, and we offer a 15-year warranty on powder coating and a 10-year warranty on polycarbonate sheets. So, you can be rest assured that you're investing in a quality product that will last. Contact us today to learn more about our skylight retractable roofs and how they can transform your building.